Morning. I understand this morning, some minutes after 8 o'clock, there was a dispute in the community over some water concerning two members of the community. I understand one of the members became irate. As a result, a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who resides in the community intervened, during which it is alleged that he was attacked and force was used. Sometime after, residents became irate and burned down the house of the family member, and also a motor car, and burned and set a motor car belonging to the member of the JCF on fire. The scene has been visited by INDECOM and other police personnel, and they are conducting investigation. The deceased man has since been identified as Glester Henry, 43 years old, farmer of Alexandria address. Further investigation continues in the matter.